navigating public transportation is a key skill when traveling or living in an English-speaking area. Here are some phrases and tips to help you use public transportation effectively. Asking for information. Bus or train times. What time does the next train to New York leave? Is this the right platform for the train to Chicago? Route and stop information. Does this train stop at Union Station? Can you tell me where to get off for Central Park? Ticket information. How much is a ticket to Los Angeles? Do I need to buy a separate ticket for the transfer? Finding the right line or service. Am I on the right line for Times Square? Which train goes to Grand Central Station? Buying tickets. Purchasing from a ticket office or machine. I'd like a round-trip ticket to San Francisco, please. Can I get a day pass for the bus subway? Using automated machines. How do you use the ticket machine? Can I pay with a credit card here? On the bus or train? Confirming destination. To the driver or a fellow passenger. Is this train going to Times Square? Asking fellow passengers. Could you please let me know when we reach Central Station? Is this seat taken? In case of problems. Excuse me, the ticket machine isn't working. Can I buy a ticket on board? Etiquette and tips. Be prepared. Have your ticket or fare ready before boarding. Follow signs and announcements. Pay attention to any signs and listen to announcements for stops and transfers. Be polite. Say "excuse me" when moving past people and thank you to drivers or staff. Keep personal items close, especially in crowded buses or trains, to avoid blocking the way or losing them. Practice scenario. Imagine you need to catch a bus to a museum. You could ask someone at the bus stop, "Excuse me, does the bus to the National Museum stop here?" Using public transportation can be straightforward once you're familiar with these common phrases and practices. Don't hesitate to ask for help if you're unsure. And remember, practicing these interactions will build your confidence. Safe travels on your public transportation journeys.